Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Hollandaise sauce. Gather 4 large egg yolks which provide the creamy base for our sauce. Next, melt 125 grams of unsalted butter. Keep it warm, not hot. Fresh lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons, adds a crucial tangy note. Finally, have a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper ready. This simple list of ingredients ensures a delicious result every time. Now, let's set up your double boiler. Select a heat-proof bowl that rests securely over a saucepan without touching the water below. Fill the saucepan with approximately 2 inches of water. Bring this water to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. This indirect heat is crucial for slowly cooking the egg yolks without scrambling them, creating that smooth, emulsified texture we're aiming for. Place your bowl over the simmering water. Add the egg yolks and lemon juice, then whisk continuously and vigorously. You'll see the mixture thicken and lighten to a pale yellow, almost like a ribbon. This takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Now, slowly drizzle in the warm melted butter, starting with just a few drops. As the sauce begins to emulsify, you can gradually increase the stream, whisking constantly until all the butter is incorporated. Once all the butter is incorporated and your sauce is thick and glossy, remove the bowl from the heat. Stir in a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper to enhance the flavors. Give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Your beautiful, creamy Hollandaise sauce is now ready. Serve it immediately over eggs Benedict, asparagus, or fish for a truly luxurious touch. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.